All right, welcome to another tutorial video. Just like in the last video, we spoke about the art of DJing, mixing at the right place from the right time, how much important that is. And in this video, we'll also be talking a little bit about theory of understanding these two songs, and I'll be showing you how to mix these. Again, before I get started, I think I should be telling you in this video that when you're DJing or when you're mixing, there are no rules, there are principles. Anyone says, Ki, this is a rule, you should follow this only. Like I get some trolls commenting, oh, you don't know how to do, it's a rule, you should do that. Man, get a beer. I mean, I don't drink, but I mean, whatever you want, get a coffee or whatever, man. Chillax, man. Enjoy the music. Perfection. Don't fall for the trap of perfectionism. I see a lot of my new students who fall into the trap of perfectionism. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Practice it. You'll get it. Okay. So now, first thing first, we're starting this song, and this song is this, and then we'll be transitioning into the next song. And this is a Jugni song. I really like this song. It's by ROH and Who D. I don't know what that means, but Who D. Okay. Very nice remix, amazing remixes I have from them. Both the remixes are from the same guys, from the same album, I guess. So yeah, let's go. Anyways, I've censored it, so you can't see it. Alright, so if you want to know my track list, then yeah, man, comment down below. You have to follow us on Instagram and blah blah blah. You know, I've already told in previous videos, so you know what to do. Now, let's get started. Now the song is started, and now we'll talk about this when we're doing this. But let me talk about this song before. The next song has two phrases of intro, as you can see. Then it goes into the break section where the first verse of the song will come. Now, if you see the waveform of this waveform, right? Yeah, if you can read this waveform, it's well and good. It's a good thing you can read this waveform, but don't always depend on this visual waveforms. When you're reading, it's more about the audio. Ears, train your ears to understand where the phrases are finishing, where the phrases are coming. Take this as a reference, but don't depend on it. So now, where is my mouse? So if you can see my mouse, so all of this, if you see, once it starts from here, all of this is just beats, and then over here we have again a small gap coming in, and then again we have beats going on. So overall the song is pretty good. It goes on for a long time, and the song is for 2 minutes 50 seconds, and the first 30 seconds is your intro, then the last 30 seconds is your outro, and then 15 seconds is your build up over here, which we have, and then it actually goes into the song. So technically in 2 minutes 50 seconds we can remove 1 minute of intros and outros. We are left with 1 minute 50 seconds, and in that 1 minute 50 seconds we can remove minus 15 seconds of a build up, or maybe 10 seconds if you want to, because 5 seconds of the last 5 seconds will have some energy, right? So over here this is all the song which we'll be playing for almost 1 minute 30 seconds or more, and we can math, so yeah, don't ask me why, but yes, let's assume we're playing 1.5 minutes of the song, and the whole 1.5 minute of the song is, at least the 1 minute 15 to 30 seconds are amazingly energetic. It all goes on as we've been listening to this. I'll go back again and start from here so you guys can enjoy the music a little bit. And yeah, so now I also kept a C marker, in the sense when the outro comes in, let me pause this here. When the outro comes in, 16 bars before that, I kept a D marker. I mean, I don't really have to put it. I remember it, or I know where the 8 bars gaps are finishing. Like when when a song is playing, where the 8 bars are done, when the 4 bars are done. It's a metronome which I've practiced and my ears are trained, because I also make my own music. So yeah, so from here, this D point to this point, it's 16 bars, and the intro is also 16 bars, 2 phrases. So yeah. Now, when we finish this and go into outro, this song will pick it up. You'll see how much of a difference, or how it sounds, how the energy flows. That is what is important when you're DJing. There should be a flow. Okay? It should not completely go down. We also spoke about this in the last video. Oh, I'm not singing it, I'm just, yeah. Yeah, we started it. Now watch and learn. As you can see, when this song finished, this song is picking up immediately. And if we keep this, we keep a loop. Now it's picking up, going into the next song. It's building up now. You can fade out slowly. You're using the drum beats, the bass mostly. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. So you see, when you start at the right point, when you understand your phrases and how long each section of the song or the phrase is, and mix in from one song to another song and put it in such a way that it flows, then your DJ sets will be amazing. You will not lose the audience from the you'll not lose the audience on the dance floor. Yeah, that's what I meant. And if you have any questions or any doubts regarding DJing, you can just comment down below. And if you want to learn DJing, you can join our online classes or offline classes. In the next video, we'll be talking about mixing techno, or like melodic techno, because I'm a techno artist myself. I make my own music under the name Distorted Memories. Yeah, I'm on Spotify, I'm on Spotify, iTunes, Apple Music. iTunes and Apple Music is the same thing. So, and YouTube Music and Deezer. If you are not from India, there's a couple of more places, man. SoundCloud also. So yeah, do check me out or do listen to my music. I make melodic house, melodic techno, organic house sounding and progressive house sounding music, mostly house related music. So yeah. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you all enjoyed this. Hope you all also learned a little bit something about from this video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, do like it. I am going to watch you like it. I'm saying like it. And yeah, have a nice day ahead. Take care. Yeah, man. Have a nice day. At this point, I'm fumbling. Okay, bye.